Oh! I think there was a sneeze. Oh, shit. Okay, so here we are at O'Reilly's retreat up in the mountains. It's bloody freezing. Gone from about 25 degrees to about 12. It's a very nice place though. It's really tranquil. Got a nice big aeroplane here. Bit of history. Plenty of people. We've got lots of birds and things here too to feed, so lots of walking tracks into some falls, so stay tuned. It's a great view, look at that. Pretty amazing. Anyway, we'll go and do some bird feeding.
Oh, it's going to land on his head.
Nice.
Sheets.
Sure, no, that's all right. Thank you.
Oh, he's climbing out. Oh, but oh, he's on the okay. Wow. And there you go. Hello.
Hello.
Coming down.
Beautiful birds.
Well, I've seen it. Those
And Katrina's feeding her bird. Having a wonderful time, believe it.
It's running down his hand. It's coming, like, see, it's coming down. Oh, it's really sticking in my hair. It's like,
Don't you mean?
what? Don't you poo on?
It's children for you.
Oh, don't you poo on me? I just took a head.
I'm like myself in there. Yeah.
She's greedy. She's got freedom.
She's a real bird whisperer.
Bird whisperer.
What colour did that?
Yeah, they do. Very.
Oh, he's talking. He's talking. He's talking. Henry, look, this guy's talking. Oh, that's fine. Oh, there's the boss man. Yes, I hear you. I hear you. The boss man. Oh, that's the boss woman. That's the boss man. That's the boss woman. Yeah. Oh, there's the boss woman. Now the boss man. Oh, there's the boss man.
Oh, what's going on with my hair?
I love you.
Right, it's right above you, Matilda. Hey, look.
You got one on your head. Oh, careful.
You got
Don't fight over me.
Oops.
You're hungry.
Oh, I don't need a coffee still. We can do this every day. That's true. That's true.
That bird's feathers are right near you. I just don't need to poo.
Well, no, can I? No, this side. Matilda, you come.
Okay.
Guys, chill.
So we've decided to go for a bit of a drive further up to O'Reilly's treetop walk, and we found all these little birds having feeds. So we've stopped and have a bit of a look, and Paul's now feeding. Oops, there he goes.
Here we are going on the treetop walk. It's very cold. Is it cold?
It's a bit chilly.
It's a bit chilly. It's very beautiful up here. Just had a bit of fun with the birds. Now we're going for a bit of a walk along the walkway.
The boardwalk.
Boardwalk. Yeah, the boardwalk. It's getting darker and darker. Scary. Very good.
So O'Reilly's celebrating 100 years of being open this year, Paul. Did you see that?
I did see that, Katrina, and that's a long time. There was a plane crash up here, 100 years ago, I guess. Yeah, and they, I think it was the O'Reillys that actually found it, and they had to go through this sort of scrub. You can imagine what it was like back in 100 years ago, trying to find an aeroplane in amongst all this. It would have been chaotic. It would have taken a long time, because I don't think it crashed right near this area. It crashed probably about 25 kilometres away. So they got to it. And that was the one I was showing you before. That's a replica of it. I'm not sure how many survived or they died or what. But, it's very interesting. Now we're doing the treetop walk, going through onto the treetop, I suppose. Of course, treetop walk. So yeah, the train is very cold.
Woohoo!
Here we go. So here we go. On the suspension bridge.
No shaking.
Shaking. Oh! Oh! Right, fella. Stop it! Stop it, you nasty girl! Oh, you're not doing anything. Jesus Christ.
Don't run!
I'm not. We're going to go up there. I got thongs on.
Mom, you can go with me and Libby.
Is Libby going up?
Okay.
And Adia and right, buddy.
And there's a little cage you can go up. Go up all the way up, about halfway up the tree. And have a bit of a look. Back on the suspension bridge. I feel like Mrs. Hoggett.
Oh look! Ford the thing. Name. Thanks.
Thanks.
In memory of thanks.
Oh.
We would have climbed, but there was too many people.
Yes.
6 people on this. On
1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 6. That's us. We're 5 and 6. It's a long way down there.
Woohoo!
Done myself a mischief. It's a little tree. Bird's got a job.
finger.
You look like Mrs. Hoggett.
You're a bloody Mr. Hoggett.
Oh.
It's a turkey. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Okay, so today we are going to take a
Alpaca.
for a walk, and we are out at O'Reilly's vineyard, and this is Ed Sheeran.
Scotty's going to speak up me. You want some food?
He wants food already.
Hang on, buddy. Yum. You Ed. You're hungry. Very hungry. Isn't he beautiful?
Okay, come on. Walkies. Did we say walkies too?
We say walkies. And this is Ed Sheeran. His name's Ed Sheeran. That's beautiful.
You're going to break into a song?
I don't know any songs.
You don't know any Ed Sheeran song?
No.
I can't even put off my heart. There's some nice water down here, Ed. Do you like the water?
It's a very beautiful place down here. Nice little stream. Beautiful right up there. Nice mountains.
I'm allowed to give you a cuddle. Don't you spit on me.
Kiki.
Don't you
Nope.
spit on me.
Let's
He
let him
wants
out.
the food.
He does. He does. Hang on. Hang on, Ed. Here you go. Now they're hungry. Here you go. The boys.
Come on, we'll go for a walk around to the vineyard. Don't run on me, no.
No running. He wants to have a little walk. Katrina and Ed Sheeran. Did you ever think that you'd be standing and walking Ed Sheeran?
This is probably as close as I get to the real thing.
He's got a lovely hairstyle. It's nice and soft.
Gonna eat my toe. Come on.
Nice and soft, don't you?
Come on. Giddy up, giddy up. So, Ed, how many of these are your siblings? Have you got babies over here? Have you fathered anything?
How old are you, Ed?
Are you a gelding?
Are you a gelding? A gelding alpaca.
A gelded alpaca. Have you got any babies? You're getting a trot up. Do you think it's time to go home? Hey? Come on. Oh, one's fell over. He's had enough. He's fell over. Look. He's had enough. So, we're just taking Ed Sheeran for a bit of a walk, and he's decided that he's found a really nice patch of grass that he doesn't want to move from. I'll show you. There's Paul and Ed. He doesn't want to move. Paul's struggling. Come on, Ed. Ed, come on. Here he comes. Good boy. So you can come out here and have a really nice lunch here. Table for 2, table for 20. It's nice. The creek's here. You can go into the winery. There's a nice restaurant here. So, not a bad place.
Come on, Ed.
Oh!
I think that was a sneeze. Oh, oh crap.
I think he got you.
I think he might have.